All right. So now, up here, remember, you have that headlight. You just push up on it like that, and it should come right off. Oh, this one's broken. So this headlight is broken, but if you pull up on it, it should come right off. And then, there you go. That fender comes right off. Hey guys, well, I'm from ReveMoto. So today we're going to be working on this 2017 Toyota Highlander passenger side fender removal and installation of a brand new pre-painted fender from ReveMoto.com, your pre-painted auto body part source. So if you guys need this fender for your vehicle, go to ReveMoto.com, your pre-painted auto body part source, where we sell bumpers, fenders, hoods, side view mirrors, and also accessories for your vehicle, tail lights, headlights, basically anything you guys need, we can get it for you. So go to ReveMoto.com, your pre-painted auto body part source. And also, this fender right here is going to be a link up above and down below, so you guys can go ahead and purchase it. So let's go and get started with this vehicle. Alright, so now I have that new fender right there. Put this piece back on there. And right now we're just going to line it up how we found it. So I'm gonna go this way first, slide it in first this way. So carefully slide it in there. This one's already broken, so a little easier for me to wedge it in there. Wow. Okay. So if you guys always have a bolt handy. Have a bolt handy. Put it in there so the fender doesn't fall. Okay. Like that. So right now we're not tightening anything up, we're just putting the bolts on there, so it kind of helps us since we don't have a second person to help us hold the fender. Alright, there we go. So now that's on, I'm going to go ahead and take a look on how everything's lining up. So this one looks good. Now it's back into place. Looks good on this side. So now we're going to close the door. I'll put a bolt right there. Put a bolt in there. So I'm just putting all the bolts in place so I can see like everything's lined up, and then we'll tighten it up in a few minutes here. And put the bolt on the bottom. This right here, I'm gonna push it in. I'm gonna push it in a little bit, line it up with the lines, make sure the gaps are good, and then there's a bolt back here, so we're gonna put that bolt back into place. Like this. Make sure you put the right bolt in there. It's a smaller bolt, so it goes right in there. So now everything's lined up. I like to tighten this one back back here first, so it doesn't keep pushing it out. So now it's properly pushed in. I'm gonna tighten that one up first. Kind of have to guide it so it doesn't push back in. There we go. Nice. Nice. That looks good. So now I'm gonna go ahead and come up here and put that bolt in this little triangle area. So this one came on loose. That one back in place. Put this bolt in there. So I'm pushing it in because I want it to line up right here. And get my, all right, so now I'll push it in. Get it tight. There you go. All right, so we still got a little bit more adjustments to do. So this one's good, the slope is good. Now we gotta put that hood down. Now we're gonna put the hood down so we can see like the alignment right here is good. If it is, then we're gonna go and tighten it up. First, make sure my bolts are in there. Okay. Put it all the way down. Check it with the other side. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. That works. All right, so now this is good. It's lined up properly. Then tighten it up. Put this cover back in place. Oh, don't forget this cover right here. That goes up there. I always forget this piece, so when I do remember, put it back in place right away. Alright, so now we have this screw for the headlight. Put that one back in place. There we go. So now it's good. This one's a little bit of a gap right here because this headlight is broken on the tab right here, which happens all the time. Whenever a fender gets damaged, most of the time the headlight might get damaged too. So go ahead and look for that. If you guys need that headlight, remember, you can order that at ReveMoto.com also, so you can order the headlight and the fender, so you have all the things that you need in your project, all in one place. All right, so now remember that dreaded bolt. All right, the bolt right there. Let me see. Almost to the finish line. Don't give up now. Got that bolt right there. Go ahead. I think that's a small one. This one. Yes, it is. Shorter socket. And there we go. Now it's tight. Alright, so first, go right here, push this in. Let's see where that, line this bolt up with this one right here. You gotta put the inside bolts in first. Line that up. Alright, now it's tight. There's two of them, another one up there. Also, before we finish, hit that like button so we know you guys like this video and we can make more of it. Alright, there we go. There's another bolt right in there. So now we put this piece on. Make sure it's the right way. Like that. There we go. Now hear that click. And then we're gonna put this bolt inside here. We're getting somewhere here. Alright, so now that's in there. then you remember this, it's pink or red? Red thing. You put it in there. To support that. Clip it in there. So now the bumper should go in place. This one won't clip into place because there we go. So this bumper is kind of pushed out a little bit because there's a crease right here that's not making go inside. But if you don't have a bumper that's damaged, it should go right in there. But it's clipped on now. All right, recap. So we did the top, took the headlight and put the bolt on the headlight, did the bracket right here. So now we're gonna go around. We're gonna go ahead and see like the line. Let me show you guys. See how the line is even, and whenever you guys open the door, it's not hitting that fender. So that means all the bolts are lined up correctly. We're gonna go ahead and tighten the bottom one and on the side right there. So this one right here is gonna get tightened up. Bottom one's gonna get tightened up. There you go. So that's that. And let's see, was there one over here? Open that up. I believe there was one. Yep, there it is. There we go. All right. So we did all the easy parts now. It's good to go right there. Yep, so this piece right here that has all the lettering and the writing and all that stuff goes to the back going this way. So put this one facing the front of the vehicle. There we go. And find those holes and clip it back into place. There we go, and then this one right here. There you go. Woo! That was fun. Alright, now we're gonna put this fender liner back into place. And that's where those little plastic pieces that we had a hard time taking off comes into play. And I'll go ahead and pop them into place. I have a secondary one. They got deformed and everything. You can go ahead and get another one at the dealership, or yeah, I think it's at a dealership. I think they're like $5 or something. All right, there we go. Let's see. Fender liner. We're gonna do that one last. That's it. So now we can put the yeah. We can go ahead and put that molding back on. All right. So we're gonna go ahead and put this molding back on. So just clip it back into place like that. Snap into place. Fairly easy. And it closes the door. Okay. So now I'm gonna focus on the bottom piece right here. Let's see what I'm missing. That's in there. That's in there. What am I missing here? So once I get this one bolted back on right here, it should be all right. All right. So that's good to go. Let's see. Underneath here, get that push pin in there. Oops. Bottom. Boom. Got 'em. Alright, do I need another one? No, that's it. Alright, that's good to go for now. Then let's put this fender liner, I mean not fender liner, mud guard on. Like so. Alright. 10mm first. Alright, there we go. Now, time to find my 10mm socket. Alright, so now we got that bolt on the 10mm bolts that we got to screw back on for the mud flap. Screw that on. Well, extension is not necessary. We gotta put this. Oh. You put that clip in too fast. Let me take that push pin out of the way. Good to go. Bottom is good to go. Fender flares. Okay, now we gotta reattach the fender flares. I'm gonna put those push pins back into place. This one goes in here. What I did was put that little pin back into place that we took the fender liner off. I went ahead and put that bolt right here, and then I put another push pin right here, and then last is going to be the bolt right here, or screw. Alright guys, so that's how you install a 2017 Toyota Highlander passenger side. It also works for a driver's side fender. Thank you guys for watching. Hey guys, I do want to thank you again for watching our great videos. If you guys need any parts for your vehicle, the ones that you guys see in our videos, or anything else, go to ReveMoto.com, your pre-painted auto body parts source. We sell bumpers, taillights, headlights, touch-up bottles, everything that you need for your vehicle. Go to ReveMoto.com, your pre-painted and accessories parts store. Also, go ahead and like, subscribe, and turn on your push notification for more great videos like this one. Thank you.